Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Curcuit is probably one of the most versatile and innovative gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of functionality and user-friendliness that appeals to a wide range of consumers, from tech enthusiasts to everyday users looking for a simpler way to manage their daily tasks and entertainment. Its sleek design and powerful performance make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable and engaging device that can keep up with a busy lifestyle, ensuring you stay connected and productive no matter where you are. Number 5. Mario Kart Live, Home Circuit, Mario Set. Get ready to bring the thrill of Mario Kart right into your living room. With this set, you can control a real-life kart using your Nintendo Switch. Design your own racetrack anywhere in your house using the included gates. Watch as the action unfolds on your screen in an amazing augmented reality experience. Experience the game like never before. It reacts dynamically to every boost, item hit, and drift you perform on the course. As you play and master the tracks, you'll unlock exciting new in-game environments, special gates, and cool costumes to customize your experience. Challenge up to 3 friends to join the fun and race around your home together. Just make sure everyone has their own game, system, and kart to join the competition. What we like. Bring your favorite racing game into your living room with augmented reality. If you love Mario Kart and want a unique, interactive experience that transforms your home into a racetrack, this is the perfect choice. Watch the action unfold on your screen as your physical kart reacts to in-game events. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The features are intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. Number 4. Snap Circuit's Light Electronics Exploration Kit. Discover a universe of electronic creativity with this all-in-one kit. It's a safe and engaging way to introduce kids aged 8 and up to the fundamentals of electrical engineering. Unleash imagination by constructing more than 175 unique projects. With over 55 colorful parts, building is as simple as snapping them together. Create dazzling light shows using fiber optics. You can even sync it with your smartphone to make the lights dance to your music or build a mesmerizing spinning strobe effect. Forget about soldering or complicated tools. Our color-coded pieces easily snap onto the included grid, making assembly as intuitive as building blocks. Give the gift of endless entertainment and learning. This kit provides hours of engaging fun and can be combined with other sets for even more project possibilities. Join countless satisfied kids, parents, and educators who love our award-winning kits. They're designed to foster a lifelong passion for circuitry and innovation. What we like. Explore the world of electronics with over 175 engaging STEM projects. If you're looking for a safe, hands-on way to introduce kids aged 8 and up to electrical engineering, this is it. It's perfect for fostering a love of building and circuitry without any complicated tools or soldering. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a useful function and feature. The product is factual and works as described. Number 3. Cricut Explore 3 Smart Cutting Machine. Meet the Cricut Explore 3, your ultimate crafting companion. It's designed to bring your creative visions to life with incredible ease and precision. This versatile machine works with over 100 materials, from vinyl and iron-on to cardstock. Whatever your project, it's ready to handle it. Achieve flawless results every time. It cuts even the most intricate designs with stunning accuracy, making your projects look professionally made. But it doesn't stop at cutting. You can also use it to write, draw, foil, score, and so much more. Expand your crafting possibilities. Easily create vibrant, full-color designs. Simply print your design on your home inkjet printer and let it handle the precise cutting. Get started right away with our free and user-friendly Design Space app. It's packed with tools and inspiration to make crafting simple and fun. What we like. Unleash your creativity with a machine that handles over 100 materials with incredible precision. If you're a crafter, designer, or DIY enthusiast who wants to cut, write, draw, and foil intricate designs for any project, this is your ultimate tool. It's compatible with popular materials like vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, making it incredibly versatile. What people say. The product is easy to use and set up. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. Number 2. CodaKid Roblox Coding for Kids. Introducing CodaKid's Roblox coding program, an award-winning way for kids aged 9 and up to learn computer programming. They can code fun games using Lua and video game programming software on PC and Mac. Our educational software offers over 100 hours of engaging projects designed to turn your child into a creator. They'll learn real Lua coding and video game design using the popular Roblox studio. With lessons lasting just 8 to 10 minutes, it's easy to fit learning into your child's busy life. This makes learning Lua coding fun and accessible for everyone. The skills they gain go beyond just coding, they're transferable for college applications, future careers, and life in general. It's a rewarding experience that builds logic and creativity. Each purchase includes 12 months of platform access with unlimited live mentor assistance and round-the-clock support. Your child will always have help when they need it. Our program features 19 modules, 53 quests, and 161 challenges, providing a clear path for learning. It's perfect for young Lua programming students aged 8 and up. What we like. Dive into the world of game development by learning real Lua coding. If your child is interested in creating their own games within Roblox and wants interactive lessons with live mentor support, this is an excellent platform. It offers over 100 hours of engaging projects designed to build crucial coding and logic skills. What people say. The product is very effective and easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. It has a variety of features that make it versatile for different tasks. Number 1. Curcuit Songs. Introducing Curcuit Songs, a revolutionary new way to experience your favorite music. Get ready to immerse yourself in sound. With its advanced audio technology, it delivers unparalleled clarity and depth. Rediscover the nuances in every track. Connect effortlessly to all your devices and access a world of music. Your perfect soundtrack is always just a tap away. Its sleek and portable design makes it the perfect companion for any adventure. Take your music wherever life leads you. Don't just listen to music, feel it. Curcuit Songs redefines what's possible in personal audio. What we like. Immerse yourself in a unique collection of audio experiences. If you're seeking curated soundscapes or a specific audio journey, this offers something special. It's designed for those who appreciate a distinct selection of music and interactive audio content. What people say. The product works great and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. It has a variety of features that make it versatile for different tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.